Google just dropped a Gemini update that nobody saw coming, and I mean nobody. This isn't a small tweak. This isn't a new button. Google basically rebuilt Gemini from the ground up. It now plans your morning before your alarm even goes off. It makes full cinematic videos from a single sentence. And the craziest part, it keeps working when your phone is locked and your laptop is shut. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to see why everyone in tech is calling this the biggest AI shift of the year. Okay, so here's what actually happened. For the longest time, Gemini was just another chatbot. You typed a question, it spat out an answer. Nothing wild. Then Google I/O 2026 hit, and Google flipped the whole thing on its head. Gemini is no longer a chatbot. It's an assistant that actually does the work for you. And I'm going to walk you through every single change so you don't miss a thing. But first, let me hit you with a number that blew my mind. The Gemini app now has over 900 million monthly users. Last year, that number was sitting around 400 million. That's more than double in 12 months. So when Google ships an update this big, it doesn't just affect a few nerds in Silicon Valley. It hits everyone. Keep that in your head, because the scale of this rollout matters. All right, let's get into it. The first thing that changed is the engine itself. It's called Gemini 3.5 Flash, and this is the model powering everything else you're about to see. Google says it's roughly 4 times faster than other top AI models on the market. It beats the older Pro version at coding, at running tasks, and at understanding images and video at the same time. In plain English, it's smarter, faster, and way more useful. Before, you'd ask Gemini something and just sit there waiting. Now you get instant answers that can actually go out and do things for you. And that's the shift nobody's talking about loud enough. Google isn't trying to win the chatbot war anymore. They're trying to win the AI assistant war. There's a massive difference. Remember the word assistant. It's about to come up a lot. Next big change. Google gave the entire Gemini app a full makeover. They're calling the new look Neural Expressive. And honestly, it looks gorgeous. Smooth animations everywhere, bright, vibrant colors, cleaner fonts, even little haptic buzzes when you tap something. Gemini Live, the voice mode finally feels like talking to a real assistant instead of a glitchy robot. But the redesign isn't the real story. The real story is hidden behind that little plus button in the corner. Tap it and you get a full creative toolbox. Generate an image, write music, make a video, run deep research, open Canvas for live editing. There's even a new section called Personal Intelligence that learns how you work. Here's a quick example of how powerful this is. Let's say you want to launch a small online store. You can open Canvas and type something like, "Build me a clean landing page for a coffee subscription service with a sign-up form and 3 testimonials." And boom, Gemini builds the whole thing for you. No designer, no coder, just you in a sentence. Okay, this next one is my personal favorite, and it's a feature I genuinely didn't expect Google to ship this soon. It's called Daily Brief. And here's what it does. While you sleep, Gemini works for you. It scans your inbox, your calendar, and your task list. Then in the morning, it hands you a clean summary of what actually matters that day. And it doesn't just dump information on you. It prioritizes. It tells you what to handle first. So you wake up, and instead of scrolling through 47 emails and 3 Slack channels, you see something like you've got a call at 11, this client needs a reply, this project has a deadline tomorrow, and here's the one thing you forgot from yesterday. That's it. Your whole chaotic morning sorted before you even pour your coffee. Think about how much mental energy that saves. Most of us spend the first hour of every workday just figuring out what to do. Daily Brief eliminates that hour. And once you experience it, going back feels impossible. All right, now we're getting to the part that genuinely made me sit up in my chair. This is Gemini Spark, and this is where Gemini stops being a chatbot and becomes something else entirely. Spark is a 24/7 AI agent, not a tool that sits there waiting for you to type. An actual agent that goes out and does work on your behalf. Remember when I said assistant? This is it. This is the moment. Here's the wild part. Spark runs in the cloud on Google's own servers, so it keeps running when your laptop is closed, when your phone is locked, when you're sleeping, when you're at the gym. It just keeps going, and it's plugged directly into Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, basically your entire Google ecosystem. Google showed a demo where someone told Spark, "Write an email to my boss with an update on the quarterly project." And Spark pulled facts from their emails, their docs, and their spreadsheets, then drafted the whole thing automatically. No prompting, no copy-pasting, it just knew where to look. Small business owners are already using Spark to monitor their inbox so they never miss a customer message. Imagine that. An assistant that watches your business 24 hours a day and never gets tired, never forgets, never takes a sick day. Now don't worry, you're still in charge. For big actions like sending emails or making purchases, Spark pauses and asks you first. So it works under your direction. You hold the keys. Google's being smart about that part. Quick honest note though, Spark is brand new. Google's rolling it out slowly, starting with their Ultra subscribers in the US, just to test it carefully. More features are coming through the summer, like texting Spark directly and creating little sub-agents that handle specialized tasks. So it's early days, but the direction is massive. Up next, we've got Gemini Omni, and this one is just pure fun. Omni is Google's brand new video model. You give it a sentence, an image, or a short clip, and it generates a clean cinematic video. Just like that. No editing software, no timeline to fight with, no After Effects nightmare. But here's the killer feature. You can edit your video by just talking to it. You can say, make the lighting warmer, then add a slow zoom on the second clip, then replace the background music with something more upbeat, and it remembers every single thing you said and keeps building on it. Google even showed off the ability to create an AI avatar that looks and sounds like you, then drop that avatar straight into a scene. So you could literally make a video of yourself explaining a product without ever turning on a camera. The implications for creators, marketers, and small businesses are absolutely massive. Now here's a piece a lot of these update videos completely missed. Google also rolled out search agents and a thing called AI mode that's growing crazy fast. These let you search using text, images, video, and even your open browser tabs all at the same time. And the AI agents can keep searching in the background for topics you care about, surfacing new info as it appears. Translation: search is no longer something you do. It's something that happens for you. You set the topic once, and Gemini keeps you in the loop forever. That's a fundamental shift in how the internet works, and most people are sleeping on it. So let's zoom out for a second. Why is this update such a big deal? Because Google didn't just add features, they changed what AI even is. For the past 2 years, every AI tool has basically been a chatbot wearing different outfits. You type, it replies. You type, it replies. Over and over. Gemini just broke that pattern. Now AI plans for you, acts for you, creates for you, researches for you. While you're doing literally anything else, that's not a chatbot upgrade. That's a category shift. And the companies and creators who figure out how to ride this wave first are going to have a massive head start on everyone else. So that's the new Gemini update in a nutshell. Faster brain with 3.5 flash, beautiful new design with neural expressive, daily brief that runs your mornings, Spark that works around the clock, Omni that makes cinematic video from words, and search agents that hunt down information for you. If even half of these features hold up the way Google demoed them, this is genuinely the biggest AI update of the year, maybe of any year so far. If you got value out of this video, smash that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and drop a comment telling me which feature you're most excited to try. I read every single one. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in the next video.